camera's extension and adapters, whatever they call. Brand, small rig. I highly suggest. Okay, here, this is all the same. It comes from 1/4 to 1/8, if I remember measurements. This one, opposite, from 1/4 to 1/8. And you can connect together. I like it came 4 of these in one package. I can make it as extension. It's very useful. Arm is very, very good quality. Same brand, everything. This doesn't move. You get this, I don't know, nut to tie it up. How to make these moves? You just unlock this part, unscrew, and it moves. Tie it up, and it doesn't move. I got surprised when you unscrew. Attention to small details. Here, oh, here is small bearing. It's really cool. And here, that's how they bite. Small teeth. Adjust it up, tie it up, and good enough. This was another. This we can attach to the pipe or anywhere else you want. Flat, doesn't matter. That's what I like it. Here is 1/4 and 1/8, and you get extra this screen or something on camera, and save it moves. Everything is metal, and just this is plastic. And you get, I think it's for camera plastic adapter to hold screen or something. You can actually take this like that and connect something else. You just need a male connector. This connects to male. What I did, I connect this with this. Same clamp, exactly same, and you get this. 2 adjustable, I don't know how they call. And what I do, screw here, and screw here. And that's how I'm using it. Worth it? Totally worth it. It's so comfortable, and you can make any angle you want with this. Any angle. And it's enough long. For me, it's completely enough. Really good quality.